All right, join me today as we're working on a 1972 Dodge Charger. Look at that, purple, 440, ton of work done to the engine, but we got a problem. Okay, let me show you. Now, one thing that's a pet peeve of mine is vehicles coming in with no neutral safety switch and no clutch safety switch. So this car in particular has no clutch safety switch. Let me show you. We've got the 5-speed, we've got the third pedal, and we've got no clutch safety switch up in here. So as you can see, I've already started by making a tiny bracket. Let's get the light a bit better. By making that bracket, and that just kind of bolts to the firewall there. Then on this side, we've got that piece that protrudes out. So that's where I'm gonna actually mount my switch. It's gonna get, I'll drill some holes and mount it to that plate, and then run our starter wire to the actual micro switch. And yeah, it should work just fine. So let me grab a micro switch and test fit it here. Make sure that I've got enough space, and then I'll pull that bracket out, mount it to the mount the micro switch to the bracket, and then mount that to the car, and then I will run my wiring, and we should be good. But yeah, just give me a second. I'm gonna grab the micro switch, get you set up here. I'm also gonna grab a proper light, because that's gonna be helpful. No, that's not the permit spot. You're just gonna sit there for a second. Okay, we've got some better light now. Get this lit up. There we go. So here's the micro switch here. This has got to go here. Oops. So I gotta find a way to make that fit in there. Yeah, see, I was already thinking too earlier that I might have to shave the end threads off this, which is what I'm gonna have to do, I think. Yeah. See, if you look here, you've got, tells you how the switch works. Got our normally closed, normally open, and common. So common is where your power, your ground is gonna go. And then the normally, well, depending on how you want it to work, in this situation, we're gonna want normally open as our switch, because as this comes down, it's gonna hit this and close it. So we'll end up doing that, and it'll work as essentially just like it's like a light switch, basically. Spring operated. Should work good.